until today, I have seen more than 2,000 patients with psychogenic erectile dysfunction. And throughout the years, there are strategies that I have tried, I have abandoned, and I tried new ones. These automatic thoughts just pop up into somebody's mind. But to me, it all comes down to stress management in most occasions. I'm not saying it's the only part of the therapy, but I think it's a very, very central part of the therapy. So in this occasion, I could probably challenge their belief of how they perceive the role. So this is important for me to know, because if this man has been using PD-5 inhibitors in the past, it means that he hasn't actually exposed himself to stress. Why? What explains this problem? So one thought about this is that, this is a man that could possibly have been used to solo sexual encounters with masturbation. So maybe